In this video, I'm going to share a story with you about how divorce can go wrong if the parties fight it out in court. Now, I was just reading this book, Divorce Without Court by attorney mediator Catherine E. Stoner, and she shares this real-life example of what can go wrong when the parties fight out their divorce in court. Now, this is an example with Joe and Ellen, and Joe and Ellen have been married for 20 years, and they've decided to get divorced. They want it to be amicable. They want it to work out, but their friends and family have told them, you still need to protect yourself, so make sure you hire an attorney. So they both go and hire attorneys and proceed with their divorce. Joe moves out of the house. Joe and Ellen have some investments together with an investment firm. So Joe calls up the investment firm and lets them know he leaves a voicemail with his new address. Now, the broker's assistant at the firm takes the information and she updates all the accounts and statements, so now they're going to Joe's new address without Joe knowing, because he didn't ask for that, right? He just called to let them know what his address is. About a month goes by and Ellen finds out that she's not getting the statements. What she wants to do is she wants to call Joe and find out if he knows what's going on. But her attorney has said, don't talk to Joe. First, you got to come to me. If she called Joe, what she would have found out is that Joe left his address and that he didn't ask them to stop sending statements to Ellen. That was just a mistake. But she listens to her attorney's advice. She calls her attorney, and what does her attorney say? Her attorney says, this is intolerable. We need to file a restraining order against Joe immediately to have him force him to change the address on the accounts back so that they're going to Ellen, and we need to stop him from trying to take control of any other accounts and freeze all the bank accounts. So he files this request with the court, and the other attorney files his response, and what could have been an amicable divorce turns into something much bigger, a much more antagonistic, hard-fought battle through the court. So now, what I'm not saying that all attorneys would do this, because I have a lot of attorney friends who would not go down that path. But this is a real-world example of what can happen when the parties fight it out in court. If you are in a situation where you have a divorce, you're going through a child custody battle, you're trying to divide up property, whatever the case may be, please give me a call. I'm a mediator, and I can help you save time, because we can get your case resolved in a handful of weeks, and I can help you save thousands to tens of thousands of dollars instead of fighting it out in court and paying all the legal fees, by helping you work it out through mediation. So please, if you have a divorce, give me a call right now. I have exactly what you need to get you through this difficult process. If you're not going through a divorce, please follow me on social media, connect with me, and I would love to hear from you. I use social media to teach conflict resolution skills and communication tips, and I would love to see you there. Thanks so much for joining me. May you be peaceful, may you be happy, and may you be free.